Did you know that foxes use the Earth's magnetic field to hunt? It's true! These clever creatures are full of surprises. From their unique hunting techniques to their strikingly beautiful coats, foxes are truly one of nature's most intriguing species. Their world is filled with fascinating facts that often go unnoticed. For example, did you know that a group of foxes is called a skulk or a leash? Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of foxes. Starting our countdown, at number 10 is fox communication. Foxes are quite the chatterboxes. They express themselves using a variety of signals. Body language plays a significant role. A wagging tail, pricked ears, or a lowered body can all tell a story. But that's not all. Foxes also use vocalizations ranging from barks and howls to screams and geckering to communicate. Each sound has a unique message. And let's not forget about scent marking. Foxes use this method to mark their territory and signal their presence. It's like leaving a personal business card in the wild. So the next time you see a fox, try to decipher what it might be saying. Moving on to number 9, let's talk about what foxes eat. Foxes, my friends, are the ultimate opportunistic eaters. They are primarily carnivorous, feasting on small prey like birds, rabbits, and rodents. But you know what's fascinating? They don't limit their diet to just meat. Foxes are actually omnivorous. Yes, that's right. They also eat a variety of plants, including berries, fruits, grass, and even fungi. In fact, foxes are also known to rummage through human trash when food is scarce. They are quite the adaptable creatures when it comes to their diet, aren't they? This diverse and flexible diet helps them survive in various habitats across the globe. Foxes, it seems, are not picky eaters. At number 8, we have the lifespan of a fox. Now this is where things get interesting. In the wild, foxes lead a fairly brief yet eventful life, typically reaching between 2 to 5 years. The challenges of survival, such as predation and scarcity of food, contribute to this shorter lifespan. However, in captivity, where these survival threats are absent, foxes can live significantly longer. With proper care and nutrition, our furry friends have been known to live up to 14 years. That's right, 14 years of frolic and foxiness. So, while they might not have the longevity of a tortoise or the lifespan of an elephant, they certainly do live life to the fullest. Foxes may not live as long as humans, but they sure do make the most of their time. Moving to number 7, let's discuss who threatens foxes. Life in the wild isn't all rosy for these cunning creatures. Their predators range from large birds of prey like eagles and hawks, who swoop down to snatch unsuspecting fox pups. Wolves and coyotes too pose a significant threat, especially when food sources are scarce. But perhaps the most dangerous predator of all is the human. Foxes are often hunted for their beautiful fur or seen as pests by farmers. They can fall victim to road accidents, and their habitats are increasingly encroached upon by human expansion. It's a tough world out there for a fox. At number 6, we explore the diverse habitats of foxes. Foxes aren't picky about their homes. They've made their mark in various corners of the world, from the sweltering heat of deserts to the dense leafy canopies of forests. But it doesn't stop there. They've even adapted to thrive in the Arctic's icy tundra. Now, if you're picturing foxes as purely wild creatures, think again. Some foxes have become city slickers, navigating urban landscapes with ease. They've been spotted in numerous cities worldwide, making dens in quiet, undisturbed spots. It seems that as long as there's food and a safe place to snuggle up, foxes can make themselves at home almost anywhere. Foxes sure are adaptable creatures. We're at the halfway point. Number 5 is all about the different species of foxes. There's a surprising variety of them scattered across the globe. For starters, the red fox is the most common, known for its fiery coat and bushy tail. Then there's the Arctic fox, a little furball that thrives in the frosty conditions of the Arctic Circle. Not to forget the fennec fox, with its oversized ears and nocturnal habits, making a home in the Sahara Desert. And let's not overlook the gray fox, the tree-climbing fox native to North America. But that's just scratching the surface. From the Corsac fox of Central Asia to the Bengal fox of the Indian subcontinent, the list goes on. Who knew there were so many types of foxes? Moving on to number 4, let's talk about fox reproduction. Now, foxes are quite fascinating when it comes to mating. They typically pair off in monogamous couples during the breeding season, which is usually in the winter. The gestation period, or the time it takes for a fox to give birth after mating, is roughly 53 days. Quite swift, isn't it? Once the little fox kits are born, they are cared for diligently by both parents. These kits are born small and blind, but within 14 days, their eyes open and they begin to explore their surroundings. By the time they are 4 months old, they are ready to venture out on their own. The life of a fox starts small and grows into something truly amazing. We're in the top 3 now. At number 3, we have fox behavior. Unlike wolves or dogs, foxes are solitary animals by nature. They spend most of their time alone, hunting and exploring their surroundings. Foxes are also nocturnal, which means they're most active during the night. Their hunting technique is quite intriguing. They're known for their mousing jump, a high arching leap that they use to pounce on their prey from above. This technique is particularly effective in winter, when their prey might be hidden under a layer of snow. Foxes are also known to cache or store their food for later use, demonstrating incredible foresight and planning. Foxes are indeed fascinating creatures with unique behaviors. At number 2, we explore the role of the fox in folklore and mythology. Throughout history, this cunning creature has weaved its way into the stories and beliefs of numerous cultures around the globe. In Native American tales, the fox is often depicted as a wise and clever trickster, using its wits to outsmart other animals. Across the ocean, in Japanese mythology, the kitsune is a revered fox spirit possessing intelligence and magical abilities. In many European folk tales, the fox is symbolic of cunning and deceit, often outwitting its rivals with its clever strategies. Meanwhile, in certain African cultures, the fox is seen as a symbol of transformation and adaptability due to its ability to survive in diverse habitats. From the ancient Norse tales, where the fox is associated with the shape-shifting god Loki, to the modern fables of Aesop, the fox has captivated our imaginations with its wit and charm. Foxes have certainly left their paw prints on human culture and imagination. And finally, at number 1, we have fox conservation. Foxes, these fascinating creatures, are not just the stuff of folklore and fairy tales, but an integral part of our global ecosystem. However, their survival is under threat. The encroachment of human activities, habitat loss, and poaching are some of the major challenges they face today. But there's a silver lining. Around the world, conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these vibrant creatures. From habitat restoration projects to anti-poaching initiatives, efforts are being made to ensure the fox populations remain stable and healthy. In some areas, these programs have even resulted in a rebound in fox numbers, a testament to what we can achieve when we put our minds to it. Yet the work is far from over. Every day brings new challenges and new opportunities to make a difference. After all, the survival of the foxes is not just their fight, but ours too. It's up to us to ensure these incredible creatures continue to thrive. That wraps up our top 10 things you should know about foxes. From their communication to conservation, we've explored the fantastic world of these creatures. We appreciate you joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. See you in the next video.